Robotic process automation in the manufacturing industry. Use cases. Automating the bill of materials. The bill of materials is an important document that highlights what parts need to be manufactured. It's critical that it's always up to date and free of error. Manually handling the bill of materials is subject to human error, which can result in delays and costly mistakes. Inventory control. Supply chain management is a critical part of the manufacturing process. As we have seen in recent years, any delays or mishaps can have a cascading effect that leads to product shortages that increase the price of goods. Vendor communication. As the production of goods has become more specialized, manufacturing companies have become highly reliant on other vendors. Predicting supply chain demand. The price of raw materials has steadily risen over the last few years. However, these prices are in a constant state of flux. Creating purchase orders. Manual purchase order (PO) creation is time-consuming and subject to human error. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and visit our website ZAPTEST.AI today.